reflection on the basis of wave theory. So wave theory means Huygens wave principle. So this is the diagram which shows the reflection of light on the reflecting surface X, Y. Dear students, look at the picture with the red in color. So this is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray. The black color line is a normal line. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is the angle of incidence. The another ray which hits the same reflecting surface, this is a reflected ray, this is a normal line. So this is also angle of reflection, this is also angle of reflection, angle between the normal line and the reflected ray. So first ray I will show the angle of incidence, here also angle of reflection is there, but in the second ray also angle of incidence is here. In this picture I shows the angle of incidence in the first ray and angle of reflection in the second ray. So are you understand? So ray optics only we are already what we are seen in the previous unit, that diagram only drawn here. How to draw the wave front? So just you take that the B. So from B we have to draw the perpendicular line. So if the this perpendicular is called as a perpendicular line is called as a incident wavefront. From C this is a reflected wavefront. This perpendicular line is a reflected wavefront. So are you understand students? So the red color line is a ray optics. This blue color line is a wave optic, that is a wave front. This is an incident wave front. This is the reflected wave front. So we draw the small arc, the distance traveled, what is the velocity of the light? C. So it takes certain time to cover the distance. So the distance between B and D is taken as C into T. So velocity which is equal to distance by time. Distance is equal to velocity into time. So the distance covered at the particular time is BD. So this is the arc we drawn. Okay, very simple students. Just we take the triangle ABC and triangle DCB. ABC. So in this triangle ABC and BDC, that is a CDB. CDB. These two triangle we are taken that in these two triangle, this angle and that angle are 90 degree. Both triangle has the same angle 90 degree. Then both the angle has the same base. Both the triangle has same base. BC is equal to BC. Okay, BC which is equal to BC. For both the triangle the base is same. Then the AC is equal to BD. How? This is the BD, this is the AC. Dear students, this ray is incident on the reflecting surface very shortly. After a long time only the second ray will come and hit on the reflecting surface. So very simple, the distance between this to here must be equal to distance between here to here, that is equal to CT. So C is the velocity of the light, T is the time taken to travel that distance. So AC and BD are equal. So what is the Huygens says, that means if the triangle BAC and CDB are equal means 90 degree, then base are also equal BC, then the AC and BD, this is the BD and AC are also equal. Hence we come to the conclusion, this angle ABC angle and DCB angle are equal, which is angle of incidence and angle of reflection. So in ray optics, the angle of incidence can be calculated, measured the angle between the incident ray and the normal line. Then in wave optics, the incident angle, the angle of incidence can be calculated between the angle between reflecting surface and the wavefront. So reflecting surface and the wavefront is the angle between the incident wavefront is the angle of incidence. The angle between the reflected wavefront and the reflecting surface is the angle of reflection. So very simple. Normal to the ray optics is angle of incidence. Normal to the ray optics reflected ray is the angle of reflection in ray optics. In wave optics, wavefront means angle between the wavefront and the reflected ray. So incident wavefront and the reflected surface is the angle of incidence, and reflected wavefront and the reflected surface is the angle of reflection. So that is proved here. So when the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection means that is a laws of first statement of laws of reflection. Then the second statement of the laws of reflection is the incident ray, normal and the reflected ray lie on same plane. The same thing, the incident wavefront and the reflected ray and the reflected wavefront all are lie on the same plane, which is perpendicular to ray optics. Already I told that wave optics and ray optics, wavefront and ray are perpendicular to each other. So here the incident wavefront will be like this. Okay, then incident wavefront will be perpendicular to this one, and the reflected wavefront also perpendicular to this one. That reflecting surface is here, so all are lie on the same plane. Hence the second statement of the laws of reflection also proved by using wave theory, that is Huygens wave principle. So this is a reflection on the basis of wave theory by using incident wavefront and reflected wavefront.